morning everyone! Today I am going to share to you my recipe of pan español, a wheat pan español. 1 and 8 cups of bread flour, 1 cup wheat flour, 2 and a half teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and salt. Let's start. Now this is our bread flour, then we add our wheat flour, then add the sugar, our yeast, and of course our favorite, the salt. So mix them all. Now put a little well in the middle for your water. There you go. Okay, there you go. Just make a ball and then put it inside your bowl, the bowl you use, and get a lid, cover it. Okay, so we will release all the air, punch it. There you go. Wheat bread, wheat dough. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then all you have to do is just knead a little and pull our beauty here. There you go. Seal them. Yeah, baby. Okay. And there we go. That's our first. Here's our beauty. Then drizzle some oil. So let's bake our bread 20 minutes at 230 degrees. All right. Oh yeah, thank you.